Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Akash Info. I'm Akash. So today I will brief you about the interview process of Axis Bank for the position of Credit Analyst CAM Processing Unit. So let's get started. So first I will tell you about the Axis Bank. So as we all know, Axis Bank is one of the private sector bank. Currently it is the third largest bank in India according to the market capitalization, and which is incorporated in 1994. And if I talk about the workforce, right now around 60,000 people are working in this bank. And now let's move ahead. So the profile and the eligibility criteria. So eligibility criteria for this role, credit analyst. So a person should have at least MBA or PGDM finance, chartered accountant, or either CMA. So actually this is a core finance job, so they only hire people who are from finance background. And let me tell you one thing, that it is a very core profile. A person who want to make his or her career in finance industry or in finance job, then that is a very important job for those people. So let's move ahead and go now. If I talk about the roles and responsibility, and first I will tell you about the profile. So credit analyst is basically you have to work like a loan officer, and so you have to assess the credit worthiness of the customer who want to borrow loan from the bank. So you have to check all the eligibility criteria, all the evaluations, whether a person is fit for the for the loan, to get a loan from the bank. And now the responsibility as a credit analyst. You have to perform, you have to prepare credit appraisal memo, you have to do credit appraisal process, and you should know the financial statement. You should know how to read financial statement, technical ratios related to bank, and all the norms, all the basic things like of interest rate. And you also do due diligence, risk management, so such kind of things you have to do. So it's a very good profile, and it's a very core profile for finance professional. So where you have to use so many financial things which you have studied in your past education, like MBA, chartered accountant, or either CMA. So I would say it's one of the best profile. Then the interview process. So interview process consists of 3 rounds. The first one is the MCQ round. It consists of same like numerical question, data interpretation, English comprehension, and then last, that is one of the most focused section of this the part 1 interview, that they will ask you about the question related to banking related to banking products, interest rate. They will ask you the situation type of question, so you should prepare accordingly. Then after clearing the first round, then you have the HR round. So HR round basically asks about your personal detail, about your background, and how much you are interested in this profile. So not that much difficult round. So it would be last long for around 15 max to max 10-15 minutes. Then comes the last round. That would be a very I would say very important round, because interviewer will be like either manager, senior manager, or assistant credit manager, or might be area credit manager. So they will ask you like why should you first they will ask you about why do you want to do this job, and about your qualification, about like if you have done internship, which core specialization you have done your internship from which institute or from which company you have done your internship. So they will going to ask you about the financial stuff related to, you know, banking products, services, all the current affairs related to bank. So for credit manager profile or credit officer profile, so they are going to ask you about 5 C's of credit. So 5 C's of credit is one of the important question for all the, you know, aspirant who want to make his career, who want to make his or her career in credit profile. And a person should know the financial ratio. They will surely going to ask you. And so the interviews, interviews long last for around 30 to 40 minutes. They will ask you going to ask you situation question. And so it's basically, this profile is all about authoritative. So you have to make decisions according to your judgment, sound judgment. First you have to analyze all the details of a customer. You have to maintain your, you know, relationship with with your sales team. You have to check whether you are, like, you know, doing or assessing the financial capability of a customer or a client in a fully manner. So otherwise, it's like if you do something wrong, then it would be your responsibility. So it's like a responsible job. But I must say that it's a very, you know, one of the best job for a finance professional. And the work wise, it is one of the interesting job. And so yeah, then comes the last part, the salary structure. So salary structure basically depends location to location. So, but you would expect somewhere around 380 lakh to 4.5 lakh you would expect. Apart from that, you know, company also provide other benefit, like they will, if you want a loan, so they will charge around 4% compound interest, and you can take up to 20 lakh of loan, housing loan basically. And you can also take two-wheeler loan at the rate around 5%. That would be simple interest. So it's like they are also giving the facilities. And one plus point, they are also giving you medical claim of around 5 lakh, somewhere 4 or 5 lakh. So these are the things. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.